Hello everyone, welcome back to IDGAF 1984. This is the second part of a video where I'm talking about FedNow. I talked about what FedNow could do in the last video. Go back and watch that if you want to understand what some of the positives of FedNow are. And some of them are great. This is part two with the potential disadvantages. And then I'm going to go and do a third part where I summarize my overall view of FedNow and why I think it's a threat. So, if you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know if there are any audio issues. But I've had one person say something about some audio issues. And I'm going to put this out there again. I hit 100 subscribers. I'm going to do a live AMA for 30 minutes. But I have to hit 100 subscribers. So help me hit that goal, all right? Now, what we're going to talk about today in this video, part two, is the potential disadvantages of FedNow. First one is implementation challenges. Establishing a nationwide real-time payment system involves significant technical infrastructure upgrades for financial institutions. The adaptation of FedNow may pose a challenge for smaller banks and credit unions that may struggle to meet the necessary requirements, potentially creating a divide in accessibility of the system. So basically what it is, it would allow more consolidation of the big banks. Look at what happened with Signature. Look at what happened with the Valley Bank. They're allowing more consolidation to be bought up so that you only have big banks. And I'm going to explain why that's a threat in part three. Interoperability issues. While the Federal Reserve intends to make FedNow interoperable with existing payment systems, some concerns have been raised regarding the coordination among various payment service providers. Achieving seamless interoperability across different platforms and financial institutions will be crucial for the success of FedNow. And honestly, I don't think FedNow is going to be a success. I really don't. You have too much private sector opportunity out there. Zelle, Venmo, PayPal. Yeah, Apple Pay even I can send payments to other people on the Apple network. So why not? Cost considerations. Now this is another very, very important one that banks have to look at. It's going to predominantly affect smaller banks. The implementation and maintenance costs associated with a real-time payment system may pose challenges for financial institutions, which, to make up for those costs, they're gonna pass that on to us, the banks. They're gonna pass it on to us, the bank customers. We're gonna see more fees. We're gonna see more BS come out. Like, that should be real. And that's not just in the banking system. It also is in Uber, because I work for Uber, and Uber in some cases takes almost 50% of what the rider pays in fees. And I only get 50% of it. It's kind of jacked up. But that's for another video. These costs could potentially be passed on to the consumer and businesses, impacting their willingness to adopt the new system. Impact on the financial landscape. The introduction of FedNow is expected to bring about significant changes to the financial landscape in several ways. Competition and innovation. FedNow will foster healthy competition among banks, payment service providers, and financial technology companies, pushing them to innovate and enhance the overall payment experience for customers. This increased competition could lead to the development of new financial products and services. And I'm going to talk about the new financial products and services and how they'll actually impact your life. That's going to be in a follow-up video I'm going to do tomorrow. This is the part that kind of concerns me. Reduced reliance on cash. The convenience and speed that FedNow offers may accelerate the decline in the use of cash for everyday transactions. As more businesses and individuals embrace the instant payment capacity of FedNow, the reliance on physical currency could diminish. Here's the thing, if they get rid of physical currency, that gives them control to say, no, you bought too much meat this month. You don't get to do any more transactions, or your money sat in your account for too long, so we're just going to take it back. And I'll get into that tomorrow when I talk about the dangers. Improved business operations. Instant payments facilitated by FedNow will enable businesses to better manage their cash flows, resulting in increased efficiency in daily operations. The ability to access funds immediately will also reduce the need for working capital, benefiting both businesses and the overall economy. Working capital is actually important because it's loaned. People loan money and they collect interest on it. Even though we as the people who actually have the money to loan don't actually see the interest, the banks actually collect the lion's share of the interest off of loans they made with our money. But that's about fractional reserve banking, and I will get into that in another video coming up. So in conclusion, FedNow holds the potential to revolutionize the traditional banking system by providing individuals and business with the ability to make instant payments at any time. While there may be challenges in implementation and cost considerations, the benefits of speed, enhanced security, and financial inclusion make FedNow a promising development for the future of payments. As the Federal Reserve moves forward with the system's implementation, it will be crucial to address potential concerns and ensure widespread accessibility. Yeah, this is going to be a huge, huge shit show coming up. Because I already hear people saying, I don't want anything to do with FedNow. But you're going to have companies like Amazon, Etsy, eBay implement this, and you have to go through it. And I'm going to talk about the real true dangers of this tomorrow. So please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get this message out there, and let's try to stop this government overreach with these unelected bureaucrats at the Federal Reserve telling us what we're going to do with our lives. Until tomorrow, have a great day, be great, and remember, don't give a fuck what anyone thinks about you. Be yourself as long as you don't hurt other people. Have a great day.